Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Netgear Nighthawk RAX30, and watch this video to the end because everybody can take a pin and push the reset button. I will show you how to reset your router as advanced user, how to create backups, how to restore your router settings after reset, so let's get into it. Actually, this physical reset method is applicable only for the reason if you lost your admin password or if you want to set up this router from scratch in another location, in new house or new office. But if the reason for reset is just refresh your Wi-Fi network, fix connection issues, it's strongly recommended to create backup file first, to not set up everything from scratch. So connect your computer to your Netgear router's Wi-Fi network or connect to the router via Ethernet cable. Then open any web browser and in the search bar type in routerlogin.net. Then hit enter and log in as administrator. Sign in. Well, it takes you to the web interface. What you need is switch to Advanced tab and select Administration, expand this section, click on Backup Settings, and create backup. Now it saves file to download, but you see this message unverified download blocked. So in this case, you need to click on this message and download unverified file. This is your territory, this is your router, so it's nothing to afraid here. So once backup created, save it somewhere in a reliable place in secured folder, and then you can restore factory defaults right from this menu. So just click on erase, then confirm your action, but let me click no just for this example. The router will be reset to factory defaults, and after you set up your router from scratch, after reset, you can go back here. Go to this section, click on Browse over here, find your file, click on Open and restore your settings. So I recommend you to create this file not right before reset, but right after you've got the successful configuration you like. So configure everything, then create backup, and everything is gonna be all right. However, if you've lost your administrator login credentials or just want to set up this router in a new place, face the router's back panel and find the reset button over here. Make sure the router is powered on, then press and hold this button with pin or different tool. Just press it once and then you will see the amber power indicator over here. So now you just need to wait for the Wi-Fi indicators to turn solid white and you can set up the router from scratch. And that's pretty it, guys. If this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.